This video will show you how to use wildcard symbols and quotation marks to improve your search results. For this tutorial, we will do a general search of the University of Manitoba Library's catalog, but keep in mind that you can use these techniques in any database that you come across. First, we'll deal with wildcards. A wildcard is a special character used in a search to account for prefixes, suffixes, or alternative spellings. For example, the word behavior has both British and American spellings, each equally represented in academic literature. We may also want to capture other variations such as behavioral or behaviors. We can use a wildcard to make sure we capture all of these arrangements at once. To use a wildcard, write out the part of the word that is shared between the different versions and place the wildcard symbol at the point where the term begins to differ. In our example, we've typed B-E-H-A-V-I and replaced the end of the word with an asterisk. This will tell the database to search for everything that begins with B-E-H-A-V-I, regardless of what comes after the asterisk. Our results for this search will include all variant spellings of the word. Now let's say that you want to search for materials on behavior modification, which is a concept in psychology. A simple search will find over 250,000 results because the system will show you results for both the word behavior and modification, regardless of how the words are linked. We can use quotation marks to get around this issue. If we place the phrase in quotation marks instead, the system will only give us results that contain this exact phrase. As you can see, we have cut the number of results, and these results are all more likely to be relevant to our search. However, you have to be careful not to make any typos when using quotation marks in your search, or it will fail, or show faulty results. You also cannot use a wildcard symbol within a set of quotation marks, as their functions oppose each other. You can use these techniques in combination with others to make your search more efficient. If you need more guidance with searching, speak with library staff and we'll be glad to help.